Here I'm enjoying my all-time favorite snack that my grandma always makes whenever I visit her. It is known as Manjal Adde and it is an authentic South Indian snack. It is made up of the rice flour and filled with coconut and jaggery and steamed in turmeric leaf. I know it sounds interesting, so to know the recipe just keep on watching. Today I'm featuring my grandma and her recipe in my video, so I hope you like it. The first thing you need to do is melt down your jaggery and then add your coconut to it. Once cooled, if you notice that there's too much of liquid in the filling, just add a handful of poha, that is flattened rice, and it will do all the magic. To some salt, add your rice flour and mix it well. Gradually start adding your water to it, and in no time it will come all together. Add a bit of oil and that will make sure that it doesn't stick to your hand or the bowl. Now take a clean turmeric leaf and then start spreading it out over it. You can use water in between, that will make sure that you evenly spread it. Now just add a bit of filling over one half of your leaf. Fold it and make sure to seal the edges. This is me trying it out for the very first time. I know it isn't even looking near perfect but it tasted so good. And there's she always saving my ass. Once you stack up your steamer, just cover it and let it steam for around 40 to 45 minutes. Once done, just open the lid and let it cool down. At this moment, your kitchen would be smelling heaven from those turmeric leaves, coconut, jaggery. And I hope you liked the video, and if you want to see more of my grandma or her recipes on my channel, just comment down below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye.